Here we are again. You know what I'm saying? I just had to get this one done. Yakety yak, blah, blah, blah. We have excuse me.
Bless you. Gesundheit. What's going on, guys? Got another shoe today. We have the UA Jordan 1 Pollen from Lisa. And Lisa's one of my favorite sellers. Just look how nice. Look how nice she packaged this package. Like, she always shows love by packaging it just so nice. It's like a Christmas present every time. And these shoes are not out quite yet. They come out, I think, the 17th of August. Wait, 14th of August. 14th. And I'm happy to have a pair early. And you can see my box took a big old hit. And that's okay, though, because you know the motto on that. So let's go ahead and take these out. And, you know, these shoes I wasn't the huge fan of when I first seen pictures of them because I was irritated that I still don't have my grails, my one and only, my coveted Rake One Inspected Deck, the beautiful Wu-tang sneakers, like from 1999. Where are they? They gave us these in 2005, and that's like a deep maze, and those are dope too. And then they gave us these, and these were cool too. And the resale price actually isn't that bad, but for now it's gonna have to be these. And I do like these. It's not as bright and vibrant as actually the Wu-tang symbol color, but hey, it'll do. So let's just go ahead and look at these a little bit closer. And I'm gonna tell you right now, when Lisa says A1, she means A1. And one thing I really like is the black leather, and I hardly ever say that. It's not overly tumbled. Toe box looks great, but the black leather on these shoes, it looks really good, like really good. So that's a bonus. It looks a little bit better than those Shadow 2.0s that came out. That leather wasn't that great on those, but they really knocked it out the park on this particular pair, in my opinion. I mean, just look at it. The shoes actually speak for themselves. They're really comfortable. This is a 9.5. I recommend to always go true to size when you do wear Jordan 1s. I get that question all the time. And with the UA sneakers, sometimes the UAs do fit, I would say, a little bigger than normal. So always go a half size down with Jordan 1s or stick to true to size. But these are pretty good, man. These are pretty good. I hope to get a retail pair on release day, but I doubt it, and I actually probably won't try. But just look at these. Let's take a few more moments just to kind of look at them. Like, I had to go back to that toe box, man. I was impressed. I pulled these out the package, and the funny thing is, I didn't even ask for this pair. Black and white laces. See, that's some more of that Wu-Tang stuff. I didn't even ask for this pair. I was like just at home, and she's like, "Hey," sent me a picture. I said, "Send them." That's all the dialogue that had to happen. A picture and a confirmation. So once again, shout out to Lisa. And I think she said something like if you buy 5 pairs from her, she'll give you a free pair of AirPods. I don't know which AirPods they are. It'd be nice if she sent me like a quote unquote test pair so I could test them out for you guys. But that's what she told me. 5 pairs, you get a pair of AirPods. That's just really nice. I'm looking for stamps. You know what I'm doing. I'm looking for stamps. And I couldn't find anything out of place on these. It's a little scary when you see stuff like this. It's like, wow. How can you call this fake UA replica? I don't know. Because for me, it's just a shoe, and I'm going to rock it. In the story.
Man, y'all see what it is, man. Like, I got down here thinking that the rain would stop. Nope, I'm not sure. I don't even have Comac with me. Like, usually in these situations, Comac's here. But should I just get out and find a spot where I can duck under something, or should I just pack it up and go home? I'm sitting at a parking spot. I hadn't even paid for parking yet. I'm just sitting here and just trying to figure out what I'm gonna do, though. Much love to you guys tapping in right now. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate it. Really might have to call it, but I hate wasting the day. I hate wasting the time to do this. I really need to get this one done. Dang, man. This is what you go through. I'm under a tree right now. I got a free hour on the parking, and I'm gonna see if I can get one more shot. It's just bad. I really shouldn't be doing this, but I'm gonna find one more spot. All right, this is turning into sort of a bad idea. There's like a little parking spot right here. I might have to just get in right here and call it a day. That's gonna have to do it. Like, dang. Hold on. Yikes. think this will work out. The lighting's a little funny, but I think I can get this done real quick. All right, guys, that'll probably do it. Actually, that's definitely gonna do it. It's cold, it's wet. It's just about that time to go home. I'm glad I just waited a little bit because then I'd have to wait till Monday to go find somewhere else to get some footage, but we got it done. That's what creators do. This is Sunday. This is like, not sure what date it is, but it's Sunday. One more thing though. Lisa, she's like so cool. She said if you purchase like 5 pairs of sneakers, she'll even throw in some earbuds. I mean, come on now. Yo, we ain't done yet. I kind of waited. The rain kind of stopped. It's still drizzling, but it's nicer out here. Like I have way more light. I got a few more shots. I took like a bunch more pictures. I still got like 30 minutes on the meter. Everyth's good. I had to go run back and get a rag because my camera was getting doused. I don't know, put it in the microwave when I get home or something like that. But I'm done, guys. This time I'm always got a freaking truck noise bell. Hope you liked the video. If you don't, give it a thumbs up anyway. I did kind of trash the shoes today, though. I didn't really mean to trash the shoes. I mean, I didn't trash them. I just got them really wet, stepping in puddles. But that's what you got to go to get the dope stuff, man. I'm trying to tell y'all.